Hello and namaste everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show how to use Monte Carlo method to find the value of pi. Let's change our directory to desktop. We make a folder named Monte and go to the folder named Monte. Then using the gedit monte1.f90 end. Monte Carlo methods are a broad range of computational algorithms. These algorithms rely on repeated random sampling to obtain the numerical results. The concept in Monte Carlo method is to use the randomness to solve the problems that might be deterministic in principle. They are often used in physical and mathematical problems and are particularly most useful when it is difficult or impossible to use other approaches. Monte Carlo methods are mainly used in three problem classes: optimization, numerical integration, and generating draws from probability distribution. Monte Carlo analysis is essentially a statistical analysis that calculates the response of a circuit when device model parameters are randomly varied between the specified tolerance limits according to specified statistical distribution. Hence, this technique is used in numerous industrial sectors such as finance, project management, energy and research and development. Now I start the program to find the value of pi. This program finds the value of pi using Monte Carlo method. Program Monte Carlo pi. Implicit none. Now let's define the integers. Count and I, and real are x and y. Let's set the count to 0 and n is equal to, let's make it 1000 first of all. Now we use seed, random seed. Then we use do loop, do I is equal to 1 to n. Then call random numbers. We call the random numbers, call random number x and call random number y. Then we use the if conditional. If x square plus y square is less than 1, then count is equal to count plus 1. And if the if statement, if conditional is closed, similarly the do looping and do, then what we do is r is equal to 4 times the real count. R is equal to 4 times the real count. Real count divided by n. Then we have to print the results. Print star comma the value of pi is equal to r. Now end program Monte Carlo pi. Here we define the integer, real, and count. We started from 0. The number of counts we defined it to be 1000. Now we call the random seed, then use do loop, then we call random number for x and for y. If x square plus y square is less than 1, then we write the count is equal to count plus 1. Then we end the if conditional, then end the do loop. Then finally r is equal to 4 times the real count divided by n. And we print the results, then finally end the program. Now why we use random numbers is all the computer simulations make use of a function that give random number between 0 1. That is 0 is under closed interval, 1 is under open interval. That is, it includes 0 but not 1. In Fortran, this type of function is called random seed, where seed is an integer variable used to generate the sequence of random numbers in the interval 0 closed, 1 open. The seed is basically used to generate the random numbers. Here if we have written 10,000 instead of n, or just increase the 0, then the value of pi will be somewhat more precise than the previous result. Let's compile it and just see the difference. Just save it, and after saving we go to the terminal and z Fortran Monte 1.f9t /a.out. Let's see, the value of pi is 3.108. The value of pi is 3.2. Similarly, again try this. Makes use of random numbers, so the value of pi is fluctuating in this manner from 3.10 to 3.19. Similarly, now let's increase the value of n. Let's make it 10,000 and just see what happens over here. Let's make a change and let's try to compile. The value of pi is 3.14. Yeah, we have increased the number of n. We have increased the n to 1 lakh. Then what happened is the value of pi is going to be more accurate. 3.14, 3.15, 3.14. Yes. Now to format the result, what we can do is just, here we have a string, here we have a string, and then we have the value. So put inverted comma and A for a string. Let's add some spaces like 2x space, and to format the value of pi, let's make it with 6 characters, 4 after decimal places. So close the bracket, put the inverted comma and save it. Yes, in this manner we have formatted output with a total of 6 characters, 4 characters after the decimal. So this is how we can use Monte Carlo method to find the value of pi. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be coming with more videos on programming using Fortran.